didn't fit it before. It was a tremendous achievement of human organization and human engineering. And so this is the kind of thing that is confronting us today. We now have become not just Sputnik, but we have now more than 500,000 orbiting objects orbiting the Earth, to the point that we become, we basically created a tremendous debris problem, orbital trash, which has been, spread all throughout various layers of the orbital realm. And it has become a business, a really interesting business. And business is what motives, what moves humans to do greater things. $360 billion industry in 2018 with a growth rate, which is not that bad. It probably will increase. And this is what is motivating a lot of the work in space right now. So we now see what we call cislunar space, or the realm in the vicinity of the Earth and the Moon, where we can see space stations, and some of them could be private, the servicing of the constellation of satellites that we have. Some of them need repairs, and some of them have to be simply removed and disposed of. And we even look at the possibility of mining resources that are not on Earth, asteroids, comets, maybe even mining for water, because we will not be bringing all the resources from the Earth into space. We're going to have to use resources already there. And returning to the Moon, so the Moon no longer is a place where only the United States has set foot, but at least with robots. But now we have a whole array of international orbiting objects, and some of them landers from other countries that have landed on the Moon. We have orbiting objects around Mars and also on the surface of Mars. Even a country like India, for example, just recently put a satellite orbiting Mars, becoming the second country in the world to be able to orbit an object on Mars. So things have changed. Things are no longer so binary as they used to be back in the 50s. They are very multi-ethnic and multi-nation, the whole humanity moving into this area of opportunity. And so we want to go further. We want to go to Mars, and we want to go much further than Mars, not just go to Mars like we did go to the Moon as a, plant a flag and, leave some footprints, pick up some rocks. We don't want to do that. We want to do it in a sustainable way, in a way that makes sense. So to do that, we are going to have to develop different means of transportation. No longer can our mighty chemical rockets really do the job. They will be quite relevant for surface to space operations, or even to land things on other planets. But the interplanetary